Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to enable floating windows on your XIAOMI 15T. So floating windows feature on your XIAOMI 15T is powerful multitasking feature. So there are several easy ways how you can enable it. The most common one is through Recents menu. So you have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, and now you can see your recent opened applications, and you want to hold and press the preview of the application that you want to open in floating window, and then select floating icon that looks like this. And now this is your floating window. Now let's go with the second way, is using the sidebar, which is basically the quickest method, but before that you have to enable it if it's not on. So let's go to settings, and then you want to scroll down to additional settings, and now find floating windows under the tab special features. So open it and then go to side toolbox, which redirects you to a side toolbox page, and you want to turn sidebar on. So make sure that it's enabled. And basically, let me turn this feature off and then on. As you can see here, I have my sidebar on my left side of my screen, and basically if I open it, if I swipe it from the left side, it opens this sidebar, and I can now select any application that I want to open in my floating window. So let it be this one, and also it opens this floating icon. And once your application in your floating window, you can of course move it around like this. So you have to tap and hold the bar at the top of this floating window by holding this three-dot button like this. Also, you can change the size of it. You can drag the corner of this floating window, and also it can shrink to a really small and floating icon. And also you can move it around, place whatever you want that floating icon to be, floating window. And also you can close it by dragging the floating window up or down like this. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.